Next, today we're gonna replace these crappy old door handles. It's a very easy fix. They really make the car look crap. And then we're gonna try and put the wooden panels in here, change the gear knob. We'll see how we go anyway. Taking them off is a pretty simple process. You get your panel removing tool or wrap a screwdriver with some sellotape. So just prise it under there, it'll pop off. And then you can just pull it off. I mean, I'm not worried about breaking it because I'm swapping it over. But if you're careful, you will not break it.
Cheap plastic door handles. In this case, it's a Toyota. Look at this. Whoops-a-daisy. Cheap plastic crap.
Right, before putting the new door handle on, I'm gonna wrap this bit because I tried painting it, and look, because you're always touching it and stuff, you're scratching it and it just looks shit. So I'm gonna wrap it and then put the cover on. So see what happens. So, degrease with some white spirit. Wipe it dry. That looks better already. Just make sure you apply plenty of heat to the edges to make them stick properly. If needed, maybe add some glue. We'll carry on heating it for a bit longer. Now that's handles wrapped, I can put on the new trim. So not to break it, kind of hooks in there and then pushes in. I found quite an annoying problem that this seal keeps popping off as you're pushing it in, so put some sellotape on it to hold it in place while I'm pushing it in. So I've got this hooks in on the bottom, and I think on top you have to give it a very good push for it to click in. And for some reason, it's not fucking clicking in. God knows why. Okay, finally managed to fit it. Looking much better. And when putting on vinyl or headlight film, don't forget to take the protective film off.
'Cause I'm loving it.